What is Irish culture? Have you ever wondered what makes Irish culture so special? Let's take a closer look at the heart and soul of Ireland, where traditions and community come together in a vibrant way. Irish culture is a blend of customs, beliefs, and ways of life that have evolved over centuries. It reflects the history and geography of the island and is known for its warmth and creativity. At the core of Irish culture is the idea of connection. This connection is felt among family, friends, and visitors. Hospitality is a key aspect, with locals often eager to welcome travelers. They love to share stories, delicious food, and lively music. The Irish are renowned for their storytelling, with myths and legends passed down through generations. You can experience this tradition in pubs, homes, and festivals all over the country. Music and dance play a central role in Irish life. Traditional Irish music features instruments like the fiddle, tin whistle, bodhrán, and uilleann pipes. Informal gatherings, known as sessions, are common in pubs and during festivals. Irish dancing is another highlight, especially at events like the Oireachtas na Gaeilge festival. This festival celebrates the Irish language and showcases cultural expressions through music and dance. The Irish language, or Gaeilge, is an important part of the nation's identity. While most people speak English, Irish is taught in schools and used in certain regions called Gaeltacht areas. Festivals like Oireachtas na Gaeilge highlight the language through competitions, performances, and cultural activities. These events offer travelers a chance to experience Irish traditions firsthand. Sports are also a big part of Irish culture. Gaelic games, such as hurling and Gaelic football, are unique to Ireland and played with great passion. The Gaelic Athletic Association manages these sports, and matches are major events in local communities. Ireland is famous for its festivals that celebrate music, arts, and local customs. St. Patrick's Day is the most well-known, but there are many others like the Galway International Arts Festival and the Lisdoonvarna Matchmaking Festival. These events often feature music, dance, and opportunities to meet locals. Food is another way to connect with Irish culture. The national dish is Irish stew, made with lamb or beef, potatoes, onions, and carrots. Pubs and restaurants serve hearty meals, and sharing food is a common way to bond with others. For travelers, Irish culture is inviting and accessible. You can join in music sessions, attend festivals, watch Gaelic games, and learn about the Irish language at events like Oireachtas na Gaeilge. The culture is friendly and full of opportunities to participate, making it easy for anyone to feel at home in Ireland.